spectacular display as Iceland volcano explodes again. Aerial footage shows red-hot lava spewing into the air in the region of Reykjanes in Iceland. It is the sixth time since December that a volcano has erupted in the area south of the country's capital Reykjavik. The Icelandic Meteorological Office said the eruption began at 21:26 local time, 22:16 British Summer Time, following a series of earthquakes. The nearby fishing village of Grindavik was evacuated. It is not known how many people were in the area, as most of its nearly 4,000 residents left in November. A flow of molten rock has consumed a road in Iceland as it edges towards the coastal town of Grindavik. Grindavik is not subject to an evacuation order, as the lava's slow progress means there is not believed to be an imminent risk. The lava is a result of a volcanic eruption last month in the Reykjanes peninsula region. The volcano has since stabilized. Lava is continuing to spurt from a volcanic system in Reykjanes Peninsula, Iceland, after a powerful eruption on Wednesday. The town of Grindavik, which has been threatened several times since eruptions in the region began in December, was once again evacuated. The world-famous geothermal Blue Lagoon spa was also forced to close. However, volcanic activity is said to have eased significantly following the initial eruption.